jelly fruits. Look at that, like
The world.
Their hearts are open, literally.
Girl.
Oh. That was really fast.
My lord.
Esther, where's your other jelly fruit? You don't have them? Oh. Yeah, so Esther doesn't have the other jelly fruit.
Okay, I got mine open.
Get mine open, you guys.
Okay, I got it.
You gotta start at the same time. I can't even get mine open. It's hard. Because I don't like orange or yellow, so.
Oh my god.
These are hard. Like hard. Esther, do you know how to open this?
You got jelly fruit? I like this.
Get in this video. You got to, please. Come on, right here.
Wait, we gotta wait for her.
You gotta wait for me. It's hard to open.
Her. Wait. Oh,
Esther,
I have to show her
open?
too. I have to show her.
Yeah. We gotta get back.
You got it? You'll get open? No, wait.
I did it. Two.
Come on.
Ask her
Open
to
it.
read.
You got. Let me see what you. Okay.
Five.
You got.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Got that one. Okay.
10. Why is wet inside? All of them are.
You know. You better not ate it yet.
No, I haven't. I just licked it. See?
Girl?
It kind of tastes like alcohol. But not like bad alcohol. But then when you keep licking it, it'll be better. Lick it. Lick and eat.
Wait.
Okay. What? Wait a minute, Mom. You just can't just call me. I'm not ready yet, huh? Isn't it hard?
God.
Squeeze it. Squeeze it hard. Give me it. Let me do it. I know how to. Let's see if my hand. It's hard.
Here, you gonna have to squeeze it. Squeeze it out.
Yeah.
Ready, set.
Go. I can't eat it with squish.
I'm finished.
No.
I won.